Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Mohamed Suleiman Richman bin Daoud. In fact, guys, Chelsea set another record again. Guys. I am sick and tired of Chelsea. Guys, they should change Chelsea name. Yes, to Chelsea FC, to Recoeds FC. I'm telling you, they should change our team name to Recoeds FC because records here and there. Chelsea being the first club to win the Club World Cup trophy, the first club the president of United States delivered a trophy to. Now, guys, Chelsea player is the first player in history to win both the Club World Cup and the World Cup trophy. Chelsea player is the first player in history to set the records winning Club World Cup and World Cup trophy, who is called Enzo Fernandez. To some extent, FIFA president himself congratulate him. FIFA president himself congratulate Enzo Fernandez, Gianni Infantino. Yes, His Excellency Honorable Gianni Infantino congratulates Enzo Fernandez for being the only first player to ever win the World Cup and the Club World Cup. I'm telling you. And this records, Messi himself, Ronaldo himself, these legends could not set these records. Maradona and co, Ronaldinho and co, Ronaldo and co. Any legend you can talk about in world football, they could not set these records. But Chelsea player Enzo Fernandez set the records. And as I said, Gianni Infantino himself congratulates him on his official web page, on his official site. This is the congratulation from FIFA president, guys. Gianni Infantino, congratulations to Enzo Fernandez, FIFA World Cup and FIFA Club World Cup champion. The Argentinian midfielder has gone down in the history books. Listen, well, guys. The Argentinian midfielder has gone down in the history books. His incredible victory with Chelsea added to his great achievement with Chelsea FC in 2022, where he was also named Best Young Player. Congratulations to Enzo Fernandez, FIFA World Cup champion and FIFA Club World Cup champion. The Argentinian midfielder has entered the history books as his incredible victory with Chelsea FC adds to his great achievement with AFSA selection in 2022. Yes, when he won the World Cup, and also where he was also named the best young player. So, guys, that is the congratulation message from FIFA president Gianni Infantino. Yes, Enzo Fernandez, as I said, became the first player in history to ever win the Club World Cup and the World Cup. Yes, being Club World Cup champion and World Cup champion. Yes, the first player and the last player. Because the next tournament will not more be Club World Cup. It will be Intercontinental Trophy or Intercontinental Tournament. So as fans, let us also say a big congratulations to Enzo Fernandez for this achievement, bringing this achievement to Chelsea in a Chelsea jersey, in a Chelsea badge. Congratulations to the Argentines. But guys, as the season is about to start, we are going to bring another podcast to this channel. Yes, next season we are going to play Champions League. Premier League, we are going to compete. Yes, try to see if we can win it. So next season we are going to add more videos. Yes, podcasts discussing about Champions League games. Yes, be it Chelsea, Real Madrid, be it Chelsea PSG, be it Chelsea Barcelona, be it Liverpool in the Champions League with any other team. We are going to add another podcast concerning the Champions League, the same as the Premier League games. Let's say if Liverpool and United is going to play, if United and Man City is going to play, if United and Chelsea is going to play, and also some La Liga games, El Clasico games, Real Madrid, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Atlético Madrid. Yes, some important big matches. We are going to add those videos, come here and do analysis about those games. So guys, just to let you know that, but the Chelsea podcast, everything will still be there. I will still be giving my head talks as I'm doing now. If any latest news come, yes, from Chelsea come about Chelsea, I will update you. I will let you know. When we come to our Chelsea, nothing is going away. We are rather going to even add more, yes, podcasts about Chelsea, more videos, analysis about Chelsea as the season is about to start in the Champions League and in the Premier League. So nothing is going away about our Chelsea. But just that, as we are Chelsea fans, we are also football fans as well. So we are going to add those Premier League games, yes, outside Chelsea. Maybe go to La Liga, as I said, go to Champions League and talk about other important matches, analyze them. Even we gave you a video about, yes, United signing Kunha, Jason going to United, Mboimo, Eketeke to Liverpool. Yes, that video is here with a Manchester United brother. We discuss a lot of things there. We analyze a lot of things there. So please, that video is here. You can click to enjoy them, or at the ending part of this video, I will add it there. I will leave it there for you to go and enjoy them. So guys, just to give you that information, to inform you that when the season begins, you can come back to this channel about any latest, or let me say a big game that is about to come in the Premier League. We'll come here and do our analysis. We'll come here and share our opinions on that. So please, anytime that any big Premier League game or any Premier League game is going to play concerning the top 6, you can come back to Football Lions. Yes, those videos, those analyzation, brilliant analyzation from Football Lions. Yes, those who love football, from Football Lion lovers, yes, we'll bring it to you. So please, just to inform you, just to let you know as the season is about to start. And before we move on, guys, please hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Yes, and let's come to our Enzo Fernandez. As I said, a big congratulations to him. And Enzo, since the season begins up to now, up to the ending of this season, Enzo has improved a lot. I was crying that Enzo, as a midfielder, he must add goals into his name. He must start attacking, and we saw it, especially this season under Enzo Maresca. Yeah, some games Enzo Maresca play him as number 10. You see Enzo moving forward, and to some extent, Enzo is now scoring goals. So that is great. That is great. Next season, maybe at least I want more assists from Enzo, or more goals, at least 15 goals. Or let me say 15 goals, 15 assists from Enzo Fernandez. So guys, that is the records Enzo Fernandez set. Yes, and let's come to the latest about Xavi Simons coming to Chelsea. After Chelsea completed the signing of Hato, now Xavi Simons is next, and Garnacho coming to Chelsea latest is also there. So please watch this video till the end. By the way, this is Xavi Simons message, guys. Just in, Chelsea want to spend less than the price that Leipzig are asking for Xavi Simons. It is not in danger at this stage, but it is an important point. Chelsea's plan is to make sure they can complete some outgoing first, before then going back to advance more on Simon. Xavi Simons to Chelsea, Fabrizio Romano update. Key points. Deal remain on. Advance talks going really well. CFC outgoing needed. CFC want to pay less than asking price. No danger of collapsing. 75% chance of happening. So guys, that are the details of Xavi Simons coming to Chelsea. That the deal is still on. Advance in talks from Fabrizio, but Chelsea want to do some outgoings. As the PSR rule is concerned, if you sign, you have to sell. If you sell, you have to sign. So that is what Chelsea is trying to do. Yes, guys, about the PSR, Chelsea want to sell some players, and this is the information again on Xavi Simons. First step for Chelsea, really important to sell and offload some players. Gaia has gone on loan. Broja will go. More players like Sterling, Felix has left. Justin is one to watch. Nkunku is going to go. Several situations to clarify. They have many players up front. They want Xavi Simons. Advance talks before closing the deal. They want to make sure they complete some outgoings, but it is not something in real danger at this point. So guys, that is the in-depth of, yes, Xavi Simons coming to Chelsea. They just want to sell some players. Yes, as we mentioned their names. Magai, Nkunku and Co, Jackson and Co, Sterling and Co, Felix already left. So the deal is still on. The deal is still on. I'm telling you. It's just a matter of time. The same as Hato. Currently, as we are even speaking, Hato is in London doing his medicals. I called him this morning, but he said he'll call me back after his medicals. So even currently, Hato is doing his medicals. So he left with Xavi Simons. Yes, Xavi Simons is coming to Chelsea. No panic. No. Nobody should panic. We are Chelsea. As I said, everybody wants to join Chelsea. Yes. Every player wants Chelsea as we are speaking now. Because if you come to Chelsea, see, not only players Chelsea, we are giving trophies, or only players coming to Chelsea to win trophy. Not only players. Even managers, if you never win a trophy as a manager, if you come to Chelsea, you are getting a trophy. In the history of Mauricio Sarri, when he started coaching, he never won a trophy until he came to Chelsea. Yes, we gave him European trophy, Europa League. Arsenal were Toronto, we beat Arsenal and gave him the trophy. So by now, if Arteta were to be in Chelsea, by now Arteta will be a Club World Cup winner, a Conference League manager winner. I'm telling you. But he's not lucky. He's not lucky. He's at the bottomless Arsenal. So guys, Xavi Simons coming to Chelsea is still on. Xavi Simons coming to Chelsea is still advancing. And Xavi is coming to help Cole Palmer in that position. And indeed, we need someone there. Yes. Next season, Champions League, Premier League, so many big competitive competitions are coming. Cole Palmer cannot be doing everything. He can't be playing in all the competition and he can't play all the 38 Premier League games. So indeed, we need Xavi Simons in that Cole Palmer position. And also, Xavi Simons is a versatile player. He can play as a left wing, right wing, and the attacking area, Cole Palmer position. So even in case we don't have any of our wingers available, Xavi Simons is there available, yes. And also he's coming to add that squad depth because, as I said, we are going to play more competition. Yes, the early stages in the FA Cup. For me, I'm not expecting Cole Palmer to play FA Cup in the early stages. I'm not expecting wingers like Hato and co to play Carabao Cup in the early stages. Yes, young players, yes, new players, upcoming players who still need more playing time, game time, like Xavi Simons and co. Yes, they can take over, they can play and still give us that competitive football, that good result. So guys, Xavi Simons coming to Chelsea is on. Xavi Simons coming to Chelsea is imminent. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this signing. Yes, do you think we need him? Do you think he will be a good signing and a great signing for Chelsea? And let's come to Alejandro Garnacho latest to Chelsea. This is it, guys. From Fabrizio, Alejandro Garnacho keen on joining Chelsea. It was his priority in January. He is still keen on the move this summer. Chelsea considering to buy later this month for Garnacho, as he said for weeks, and he's waiting for Chelsea as priority despite buy from abroad. Chelsea are working on two separate deals, Alejandro Garnacho and Xavi Simons. Chelsea want both players this summer. Chelsea are active on both fronts, and even if talks are taking time, the project is clear. Reinforce the attack. So guys, Garnacho first of all himself want to join Chelsea. Garnacho is waiting for Chelsea to send official back to United. For personal terms, it will not be an issue. Garnacho will want to come to Chelsea. Since January transfer window, he's pushing to join Chelsea. I'm telling you. And I keep on saying it here because of the attitude. And yesterday, earlier information came that Chelsea did their research and they saw nothing about Garnacho attitude. So that showed that, see, our owners, they will do everything and sign Garnacho. For me, I'm seeing them signing Garnacho. Maybe by the close of this transfer window, they will go and sign Garnacho. Unless maybe United price him high, or unless United change their mind to let him stay. Yes, Amorim bring him back to his plans. Unless that happen. But currently, they are selling him. And if United and Chelsea agree on the fee, because United want to sell him 40 million, but Chelsea want to pay 30 million. So at the end of the day, if United agree for Chelsea to pay the 30 million, Chelsea will sign Garnacho. Our owners want Garnacho. Guys, Garnacho is considered, let's just consider him as Chelsea player. If this deal doesn't happen, I will be surprised. I'm telling you, they want Garnacho. So guys, that is the latest for Alejandro Garnacho. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Garnacho coming to Chelsea. And let's come to our young talented winger, Estevao Williams. Estevao Williams will join his teammates on Monday, 4th August. Yes, and information said that he is learning English small. Yes, he can't speak English or understand. He can't understand English. So as we are speaking now, he is learning. And also information came that there is also the expectation that Estevao could quickly become a starter at Chelsea if he impressed in training. So guys, we hear that means that Estevao is not coming to be on the bench, or let's say because he is a young player, for that matter, when he comes, he will just go on to the no. He is 18 years of age. That when he come and prove it and perform well in training, he will be a starter. He will go into Chelsea, yes, first team. And I like this. It will bring competition. I'm telling you. But my worry is our young guy, guys. George, Charlie. Gittins coming, Estevao coming, Hato available. Now Cole Palmer as a winger. Nicola Jackson is also available. He will want to play during the course of the season. George. The guy is good. So this kind of young player, they need playing time. And at least maybe Chelsea should find a loan move for him. Maybe particularly in the Premier League. So that, yes, he can still get the Premier League intensity, learn the Premier League intensity more. Maybe some seasons he can come back to Chelsea. But actually, I'm worried for this young talented player. So guys, that is the latest for Estevao Williams. Estevao is not coming to Chelsea to be a bench warmer. When he come and prove it in training, impress in training, yes, he may go or walk straight into Chelsea starting 11. Yes. So guys, that is the latest for Estevao Williams. Yes. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Estevao Williams coming. And yes, during the course of the day, if any latest come about Chelsea transfers, I will let you know. So please hit the like button, turn on the notification bell. Yes, hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.